AUTOSAR. AUTOSAR. Classic Platform R1911. Methodology. Methodology Assets, example. To get a better understanding of the methodology assets, we take a look at a task from the use case memory mapping. This use case gives a comprehensive view on the tasks required to define, configure and generate header files, for memory mapping and for the compiler abstraction related to memory aspects. One of the tasks is about the configuration of memory mapping allocations. Memory mapping allocation defines a mapping between abstract memory sections used in basic software or software components code, and compiler-specific configuration elements. The abstract sections are identified via links to input files. The compiler-specific configuration is given as a pre-configured configuration. The output is to be used for generating memory mapping headers during ECU integration, as well as for in basic software and software component compiling and linking in local environments. This task is performed by 3 different roles, but no tools are needed. If you want to learn more about AUTOSAR and other interesting topics, go to embeddedacademy.com.